How to change desktop monitor resolution in Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor resolution on Windows in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, right click anywhere on your desktop, just make sure it's not an icon. And from the pop-up menu, simply click on display settings. And that will open up the settings window. Now from here, scroll down a bit until you see the display resolution, and you will notice it shows a recommended resolution. So click on that drop down, and here you can pick whichever resolution works best for you. Once you have selected the one that you need, your screen will adjust it. And if it looks good, just click keep changes, and if not, you can always click revert to go back, and that's it. That's how you can change desktop monitor resolutions on Windows. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.